Hello again. I'm back. All right, I'm going to be using cadmium lemon. I use DaVinci watercolor paints, and in DaVinci has a color called leaf green. There may be similar colors in other paints, but I know that this works. This is cadmium lemon is my lightest green, just after white of the paper, and leaf green is next. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a very light wash, soft wash right here, and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do around that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wet this area right in here, wet it real good. I'm using a number 12 Princeton long round velvet touch brush. Now then, I'm going to be sure my yellow paint is good and wet, and I'm just gonna put that in there. Now then, obviously I didn't mean to put it right there. Okay, so what am I gonna do? I'm gonna blob that up because that's in my sky, and I don't want that much yellow in my sky. And oh my gosh, I'm making a mess today. Paper towels and Q-tips are my two saving graces. All right, so I've got that. It's very wet. It's very wet, and then I'm gonna just touch this. Not like a painting a fence, not blah 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 blah, but just touch in some leaf green and let it kind of run and fuse together. I want to save some area that's nothing but yellow, and I want to come around this and have this leaf green area around it. And that's how you do a wet and wet. Now this looks to me like this wants to be a hard edge, so I can soften that with water. And I can also blot it with clean paper towel.